guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be giving you guys a grocery restock. Now that we're taking our health and wellness journey a little bit more serious this year, I kind of want to show you guys what we pick up at the grocery store to kind of keep us in track. If this is a video that you're interested in seeing, of course give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and of course subscribe to my vlog channel at Diamond Queen Shay. And let's just get into this grocery haul. So I have everything kind of broken up into each section. We're gonna go ahead and start out with kind of items that we have in the pantry, things that we have for like snack items and everything of that nature. I'm just gonna give you a quick little skim through of everything after I'm done, and then we'll just carry on with the fridge section, the meats, the vegetables, the fruits that I chose. So let's just get into it. Okay, to start out, we have these Nature Valley biscuit butter snack bars, and then I also like to grab a case of the Ritz crackers just to eat them plain. Jada like to eat those. And then I have an assorted pack of pistachios, and it's like different flavors. They have honey roasted flavor, roasted and salted, and then chili roasted. So my oldest daughter loves to eat these. And then I like to always grab like a case of applesauce, the little applesauce pouches. Jada Rose did pick out some of these snacks, and I love it because she came to the grocery store with us and she only picked out about one or two like unhealthy choices, but she did pretty good. She also grabbed these little kid snacks, and it's kind of like the granola grain, it's like the grain bars that have like the fruit flavors in it, but it's like they're the small mini size. Most of these groceries came from ALDI, just to give you guys a heads up. That is where I shop at for the most part. Next up, my daughter liked to take her lunch to school. Well, she preferred to take her lunch to school, so I did grab this 5-pack of turkey Kobe Jack snack, and it has some turkey meat, some cheese, and some almonds in it. So I did go ahead and grab her that to add to her lunchbox. Jada Rose also picked these out. It is just some white cheddar, some little white cheddar baked crackers. She liked those. And then she grabbed these little peanut butter crackers. We like to grab this little trail mix, and it has like peanuts, M&Ms, raisins, everything of that nature. It is inside of this little snack pack. And then Jada picked out some cereal, and it's called Balance, and it's a multi-grain cereal, and it's in the flavor cinnamon. And then we like to get some popcorn because we have lots of movie nights in this house. And I grabbed a plethora of little bars. So we have the chocolate dip chewy bars. We have a couple of them that are just protein flavored bars, and more protein flavored bars. This one is like a strawberry one, and then just some plain bars. I did grab this chickpea penne pasta because I do want to give it a try, so I cannot wait to see what is this talking about, what it's gonna taste like. As far as the rest of the pantry items, I grabbed some extra virgin olive oil. I have this pesto sauce that I'm going to be trying. And then we have some yellow potatoes, the little mini yellow potatoes, along with some sweet potatoes. And then I grabbed a couple of canned goods. So we have some kidney beans, some green beans, some chickpeas beans. And let me tell y'all, I'm all about convenience, and my life is pretty busy. So yeah, some of these items are in the can or frozen veggies because it's really quick and convenient for me. But if you have the option to cook these things from scratch, that will be the optimal way to eat it, obviously. So just to throw that out there. I also grabbed this balsamic vinaigrette. I like to eat this on my spring salads. And then we just got a large jar of peanut butter and some baking soda. I just like to keep a thing of baking soda in the fridge overall. And then I love these, I love the rice cakes because I'm able to grab them as like a pre-workout snack. So in the morning, I've been doing the 5-6 a.m. gym sessions. Throw some peanut butter on top of this, add some fruits to the side, a little bit of chia seeds and agave, and you're good to go. And then we also like to keep some everything bagels in the house when they're in stock, so we keep that. And I absolutely love having ginger because we use it for many things, rather it's our turmeric ginger shots, or if I'm making any type of juices, I like to throw ginger inside of my freshly squeezed juice. And on top of my regular peanut butter, I did grab some almond butter. And other grain items that I grabbed was some green lentils. I never had these before. I want to add them to my diet. And rice, I got jasmine rice. Listen, you can never have too much rice. Can never have too much rice because we eat plenty of rice in this house. And then also I got some English muffins. I love eating English muffins with my breakfast. And then we just have some granola here. This is some honey and oats, and then my husband got the protein granola. I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. I did go ahead and get this pack of matcha because I'm not drinking pre-workout or using energy drink. I like to drink those before I go to the gym in the morning for some natural energy. I grabbed this box of like baked chips because I had started dibbling and dabbling back into like Doritos, Hot Cheetos, all the good types of chips that we like in the box, but we had to go ahead and dial it back, so I got those. And then I got these right here, the little assorted rice cakes, the same type of rice cakes that we eat in the morning. It's just the mini version of that. So next up is the meat items that we have. And listen, we barely have that much meat because we are, well, I am, my husband said he's gonna give it a try too. We are on a journey to reducing the amount of meat that we eat, and eventually I just want to become overall a vegan, but for now I'm just weaning off of meat. So I want to just only eat meat for like half of the month, and lately I've just been doing breakfast meals with no meat. Overall, we're just trying to reduce the amount of meat that we're eating, especially for my blood type. Personally, I thrive off of vegetarian diet, so that's the lifestyle I'm really trying to lean towards. But as far as meat, we just grabbed some ground turkey, and then my husband grabbed some of this sockeye salmon, and then we just have some chicken breast tenderloins. And I already had meal prep too. If you didn't see that video, watch it before this one. And that's also why we don't have that much meat, because I have enough food already in the fridge, meal prep for an entire week. So that is it for the meat, I think. Yeah, we have our fruit section, and as far as fruits, I grabbed a little bit more than usual because, like I said before, I do like to juice some of my fruits. So we grabbed some bananas and some huge oranges, along with a pineapple and some green apples. We have some green apples because I like apples, green apples to go in my green juices. And then we have some red apples here, and then I have the little mini tangerines that J Rose like to eat also. So that is for some of my fruits, and then I'm going to take you guys on over here to the section that's going to be going in the fridge that shows you a little bit more of my fruits. Okay, this is the refrigerator item section, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and start with the yogurts, and actually let's just carry on with the fruits since we already on the subject of fruits. As far as my fruits that go in the fridge, I have some strawberries, and as you can see, we grabbed quite a bit of strawberries because they go fast in this house. That's just that, and I can go ahead and set them to the side to be clean. And then I also have a couple of batches of blackberry. These go fast in the house too, so I have to get plenty of those. And then the same thing goes for our blueberries. Our most eaten fruits in this house is strawberry, blackberries, and blueberries, honestly. But yeah, I have 2 packs of those, and then I just grabbed a small container of green kiwi to throw in my green juice, and sometimes I like to eat this inside of my morning yogurt bowl. I finally dibbled into some grapes again. Listen, I have a young child, and these give me anxiety. Grapes give me anxiety. But finally dabbling back into grapes because I definitely missed them. So I did get an assorted pack of green and purple grapes. Oh, that was pretty much it for the fruits by themselves. I do grab a couple of different like lunchable looking packets. Jada Rose love these. It's like the little Paw Patrol. It has cheese, a little bit of crackers, some grapes and apples. And then this one has a couple fruit snacks, crackers and apples. And then this one is the same thing. It's pretzels, cheese and apples. And then, honey, my ghetto sister, my sister asked for this because we not eating it. Moving right along, I grabbed some turkey sausages, some smoked turkey sausage. Like to eat those with breakfast, like to throw those in my spaghetti and stuff. And then I did grab a small thing of spring mix and a small thing of spinach because, listen, I'm trying not to waste too much food this year. Because the way I be buying it in the biggest container and don't sit up there and finish it is crazy. So if I finish this, I'll just have to go to the store and get some more because I'm tired of wasting it. So we got the spring mix, and I also grabbed a little assorted pack of bell peppers, onions, and green bell peppers. It's just convenient to be able to grab when I'm making an on-the-go quick breakfast, lunch. I don't feel like chopping it up. I like to have that on standby. And I did grab 2 of these raw kombuchas. If you have any stomach issues, if you anything regulating with your stomach, drink you some kombucha. There's milk. I pulled up to Publix because they had the buy one get one free deal, and I got me some oat milk, extra creamy in the vanilla kind. You could just get the plain, whatever works for you. I've been feeling the whole oat milk. And along with the oats, I also got some oat creamer that I want to try because I really just want to go dairy free on the creamer since I like to drink my matcha lattes. And then we have some non-fat all Greek yogurt. One of them is vanilla and one of them is just simply plain Greek yogurt. And then hubby grabbed him a couple of high protein yogurts from ALDI, and here are the flavors. One is vanilla and one is like a mixed berry, and it has about 15 grams of protein per container. And my baby girl liked these, so she grabbed her a couple of Danimals and a couple of little tube yogurts. She did grab a couple of those. And then I grabbed another batch of bell peppers in case I wanted to cut up some. And we got some eggs because we be grubbing on eggs up in here. Refrigerator, freezer items. Let me just skim through this real quick. So we have some little mini carrots. Jada Rose picked this out. She wanted some little mini carrots, so I got her that. And then I got some more zucchini because I'm trying to make a lot of vegetarian bowls and stuff like that. And usually I let these go bad at the fridge, in the fridge, but I'm not declaring that this time. And that's the same thing with the avocados. I had slowed down on even eating avocados, so I kept letting them go bad. Got 3 of them. I'm gonna try to include that into my diet, especially since I'm getting rid of some of that meat. And then my celery for my green juice. And listen, these are always on the menu. Cucumbers is always on the menu for the green juice. Cucumbers are very hydrating, very great health benefits. Get you some. I got a couple of those, bags of those to be added to my juice. And then as far as veggies, along the subject of me talking about like getting the frozen bag veggies for the convenience, I have this one mixed with cauliflower, carrots, and broccoli. And I have this one that's like an Asian type flavor. But that is pretty much everything for this grocery store haul. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And like I said, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.